Alright everyone, been a little while, so here we go. We're gonna go down this road. Just came up it. We're in about, I'd say, over a foot, probably close to 2 feet of snow. It's floating pretty good, but it got bad, so we turn around because we got the kid with us. Well, I'll drive down a little bit and let you guys check out the view. We're 4 low crawling out here.
It started pouring down rain.
Started, yeah, raining. So, story of our life. Sorry about the camera. I was trying to get the window down for a minute. See how deep that is. Pretty deep. Freaking killer. Yeah, to get on this road, I had to turn up from another road, and it was pretty steep. I had to give her a couple tries. But yeah, I can't believe how deep it's gotten, and it's not even January or February. Yeah.
So cool though.
My diff was rubbing. So I was digging down a little bit and started catching on my diff. Hold for a little bit. Good old Oregon. So this is where I had to turn up from the other road. It got pretty bad. It took me a couple little back and forths.
I don't know, it's focusing on the window.
Figure might as well show some people some snow. I've been itching to drive in it.
Yeah, it's crazy that it's snowing and it's like the middle of December.
Might have to drive over some trees right here to get up here, and that was exciting. I'm gonna put her back in first, as I call it, crawl mode. Alright.
Oh.
We're over it.
Yep.
I'll bump it a little. I'll be the nice guy. I'll stay in my tracks on the way up and down. That way people don't have 50 tracks to fight. Because until we got into the fresh snow and no tracks, we were fighting people's tracks, which makes it 100 times harder when people are swerving and making 7 different tire marks. That's alright. When you get in this deep stuff, you kind of wish one track, that way you don't have a way to slide out of it. Fine, I'll see if I can go in 2-wheel drive for a second. 2-wheel drive? Oh yeah.
That's cheating. You have ruts to stay in.
Okay. I'm out of the ruts. Out of the ruts, 2-wheel drive, 1.5 or so of snow. Cheating, yeah.
I wonder, since it's snowing right now, this bad, and it usually doesn't, I wonder how bad it's gonna be towards like February and March.
That's what I'm saying. Look at this. There's drifts that are well over 2.5 feet deep already out here. So you know it was deeper.
Yeah.
And It's not even Christmas. Alright, well, I don't know if I should keep the video rolling. I just want to show the little snow.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and call it a thing, huh? So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.